Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 2 of Python journey. So, in the last session, we discussed only one of the function, that is a print function. Just to print anything on the screen, we can use print function. It's a case sensitive. Print word always you should write in the small letters, and any brackets are there that you can call as a function. And this print function developed by Python only, Python team, and with Python software we are getting freely. Inside of this, if it is a any custom statement or message, if you want to print, write either in double quotes or write in the single quotes. Both will support. If you want to print anything on the screen, yes, we can write in this way. And between these strings, I mean between these double quotes, between the single quotes, you can use two special characters along with your statements, slash n and slash t. These two are the one symbol slash n, one symbol slash t. You are typing two characters to get this symbol, but consider it is a one symbol to get the new line in the print. If you place anywhere like slash n, these lines will be printed in the first line, and from the next slash n after, the remaining statement will be printed in the second line. This is a way we can see the output. And the next concept is, we have a very first concept really. This is a very first concept, variables. Variables is there. In every language, this concept is common. In every language, this concept is common. Variables. To store values. To store values, numbers. To store some number. To store something. The something may be a value, a number, a string, or a file content also. One file inside data also we can store into variables to store values. In any language, variables are common. To store the values purpose, we can use it. Here also, we can store the variables. Same like there also. But the syntax is completely different. The syntax of this one, variable name, one equal operator, only one, and whatever the value you want to store, yes, you can store it. Variable name and value. So example is in the Python prompt, x equal to 5. Here x is the variable name, equal is the assignment operator, equal only but assignment operator, and 5 is the value. That's a simple. So always the left side value will be stored in the right side variable. Left side value will be stored in the right side. Left side value is going to store in the right side variable in the RAM. But some different style we have to observe. You are calling this is a variable name, but originally we can call this as a Python terminology identifier. Number 5, you have a value, but you should call this as a literal. Just official name. Official name. Who is here hero means your assignment operator only hero. This assignment operator only the hero. It calculates. Calculates means only 5 is there. There is no problem. But if you take one more scenario, y equal to 20 plus 5 is there. It is not straightforward number. First, it will this assignment operator calculates left side. Sorry, my mistake. It's right side. Assignment operator right side 20 plus y. It will calculate. Then that result will be stored in the y. So first assignment operator directly value is there, no problem. If no value is there, like this is a 20 plus 5 is there, it is not straightforward value. It is not straightforwarded value. We can call this is an mathematical expression. 20 plus 5 we can call as a mathematical expression. Numbers and operators. Plus is a operator. So mathematical expression. It is a mathematical expression we can call 20 plus 5. That is going to store in the y variable. Who is doing this addition? That is a assignment operator. And while writing, don't provide unnecessarily first character with space. Start first position, first line, first position only. After that, you can give spaces, or you're not giving equal this side, that side, there is no problem. You can write in any way, it is fine. So there is no standard rule after equal one space, two space, without space also fine. It will work. But don't provide in this way. First one, first this spaces, it is leads to you an error. Which leads to you an error. This is the last one is a error. This is a error. Why? Because you started with empty spaces. Once if you write the variable, your assignment operator to value n number of spaces you can consider. That is valid only. But some standard rules are there to write the variable names. Rules for the variable name or identifier name. So these rules are coming topics also same. Same for rules are same for upcoming topic, that is functions, classes, modules also same. So important one. What should I take the variable rules? Majorly we can consider 4 to 5 rules. First one, variable name or identifier name, officially identifier only. Otherwise in our simple language I will write. Variable name should contains following characters only. So your variable name should contain these characters only. And this last one is a underscore, not minus, remember. Total, we have a 63 characters are available. If you see 26, 26, 52, digits are 10, 62 and one underscore. In a variable name, you can take these characters, but any character you can take n number of times. Any character you can take n number of times, like yeah, 25. This is fine, but this is not fine. Why? Because this space is not part of this list. It's a rule number one. One character you can take any number of times. Rule number two, a variable name never starts with a digit. Means first character of the variable name should be either alphabet or underscore only. 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 This is a very important point. Digits okay, but not from the first position. From the second position onwards allowed. Like if you write 9a equals to 40, this is an error. A9, yes, this is valid. It is a valid one. It is a valid one. It is a valid one only. So never start first character with a digit. First character only. Second character point, there is no standard rule. See, I'm writing 9 equal to 40 error. But otherwise, I'm writing in this way. This is valid. This is valid. And user space name equals to, you can write a string in the double quotes. String in double quotes or single quotes. This is a string. And 40 is a number. Number, otherwise integer. Integer is a correct word. Number or integer. Yes, error. The reason is why it is showing an error at line number, character number n. It is correct only, na?
Space is there between user and name.
Yeah, this is not recommended. So if you want to provide space, the best thing is
Understood.
the
Yeah.
underscore. This is the second rule. Third rule, Python using some result keywords. Python, some words are Python internally using some keywords or words that we can call as a keywords. That words we should not use for the variable name. Important. Python internally using some words, that words we should not use the variable name. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. This control. Yeah, please give me 1 second. It is important. So just focus on these rules. Yeah, third number. Python reserves some keywords for internal program development purpose. We should not use them as the variable names. Variable names. Sir, how to find out them? Okay, fine. Just use help function inside in the form of strings, write it keywords. Presently, today Python using 35 keywords for the internal development purpose. Your variable name should not be from this list. Your variable name should not be from this list. See, total 35 keywords are available. 4 columns. Each column having 3, 6, 9, 9, 9, except this one. 9 fours are 36, except last one. Minus 1. 35 keywords are there. And any keywords are looks in different style based on their case sensitive. Yes. Is there any keywords are looking differently?
No, sir.
False.
False, none, and true.
Yeah, but observe here everything in the small letters only. Few words are in the capital.
Yeah, false, no,
False,
true.
none, true. Very important one. Remaining keywords are normally available to you in the lowercase only, but these are available in the first character only. That too. So, what is the condition 3 generally? What is the condition 3? I am saying that one. Can I create one variable for 1 equals to 20? Is it valid?
No.
Why no?
Yeah, it is valid.
Valid. So, every character from this set or not?
Yeah.
Any number of times I can take it. I'm not
Yes.
saying partial one, complete word. See, definitely valid. Is it valid now?
Yes. For no, not valid.
No. We can write like for 20 in like
Yeah.
that.
Yes, possible. But this is valid? No. So,
No.
No.
why? Because looks like if we don't know the keywords, you will think like all are alphabets starting not with the digits, everything valid only. But third rule, that is a result keyword or not?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
And what is the shortcut I can remember in this section if it is your question? See, if you type any result keyword, see that character's foreground color.
Orange. Orange color.
If I'm not writing like if I'm writing normally, black color is it. But that
Oh,
feature only for here only. I don't. I mean, we cannot expect this feature in the other editor like Colab, Jupyter Notebook. This feature is not available. Sir, today we don't know these words, but you will understand these things with your learning of the course only.
yes.
Every word, almost every word we are going to use in our program development section. Every word. End of the training, not end of before modules. One topic will be left. That is, you can consider that will be module. Before module topic, you will understand all these keywords. Python uses these internally. This is a third rule. It is a third rule. And next, number 4, yeah, definitely. Any number of characters, n number of times you can use it. For a variable name, in a variable name, we can use valid characters n number of times. I mean, if I'm writing a equal to 20, should I use a only one time? No. You can write any style. This is a valid only. Are you understanding what is the point number 4?
Yes, yes.
We can use valid characters n number of times. There is no limit to this character already repeated one time. You should not use next time. No, that is not available. N means no limit. So n means n number of times. N number of times we can use it. It means no limit. But really, we can say one word. Always create the variable name, officially identifier name. One standard rule. Always create the variable name as short and sweet. Why should we write 1 kilometer length variable? Example, you are expecting one file path from the user. File underscore path equals to, you can ask some input, D directory, like this. File path or directory path. Yeah, something meaningful names we have to take. Y, A, B, C, like that. File underscore path. Maybe one more underscore path, user input. Yeah, this is okay. One level. Directory path provided by user or user. This is also fine. Like short and sweet we have to take. So these are the majorly first 3 or 4, 3, then these are the just add-ons to you. These rules are common for today's variable section and upcoming functions topic, classes, modules type also. Same standard rules we are going to follow. Now what exactly, when we create the variable, what exactly will happen in the memory or RAM? So the topic name is otherwise memory allocation process. Memory allocation process we are going to discuss. Where is the space? Space is not working. Memory allocation process. So remember, this is your laptop and main component is to run this one memory. Nothing but RAM is important one. Yeah. Laptop RAM image. RAM maybe one slot or two slots are available. That is fine. This RAM is a main core component. Anything first loading also into the RAM only. Even today you are using your mobile may be showing to you while purchasing time 8 GB, but you never get 8 GB free space. When you power on the machine or your mobile or laptop, initially the OS files will be loaded from your internal RAM to internal storage to RAM. Anything if you open, first it is going to load in the RAM only. If you have a 1 terabyte storage, 200 or 1 GB RAM, there is no performance. RAM is a main component. If you open anything, first it is loaded to the RAM only or memory. It is a volatile memory. Nothing but when you power on the machine, it will clean inside of the data. So we installed Python software also. We installed Python software in the last session. We installed the Python software in our local laptop. So when we install Python software, one small program is executed in your local laptop. When we install Python software here, one person, nothing but one program also involved inside of it. That is a PVM we can call. This person came to your picture along with your Python software. Along with your Python software, one person came, that is a PVM with Python only. PVM is nothing but Python virtual machine. Python virtual machine. It came along with your Python software. What is exactly it will do? Manage or control your Python programs to your machine understandable language. Converts to machine understandable language. Memory management. Everything done by your PVM only. If you write one variable like in this way, a equal to 5 if you are writing one variable, if you are creating. So in the RAM, this RAM I'm writing in a big box. This RAM only I'm writing in the big box. The RAM address will be divided as a small boxes. One second, the cursor is today playing dance. Hmm. So this is a way we have a RAM will be divided as a small chunks. Nothing but memory cells. Every cell having certain address, like this address is 101. Every cell having some lakhs of, not like crores of cells are available to store the addresses. 102, 103, like that. Everything having some address. Maybe here something 505. It's a big number. Generally, I'm writing with small number. Your PVM will maintain. Your PVM will maintain one table. When you give an instruction by the Python, in ideally you're writing this command or this instruction, please create this variable. Your PVM, this PVM will maintain one table actually. PVM hold one table which containing only two columns. What is a variable name and what is the address? What is a variable name? What is the address? These two only available. When you create one variable, first your PVM will check, create one variable with a equal to 5. So consider this 5 is going to load here. In this PVM table, in the PVM table, 5 is located here, right? That is good. Happy to see here. But in the PVM table, it never store the value. Instead of the value, your PVM store its address. For example, this address is 6010. Some address. That address only it will maintain inside of it. So whenever you are trying to print that variable, if you want to print the variable value, print function without any bracket, just write a. Just write a. Don't write any single quotes or double quotes. Directly write a. If it is a variable, directly write the a only. Like in this way, write the a only. A. If you write in this way, first your PVM looks for index table. Is there any name with a? If name is available, it will print. Yeah, A is there, address 6070. Directly it will go to here. Inside the value, it will print. Actually, this value also stored in the form of ones and zeros. But 5, I am not writing in the ones and zeros. 5 is there. Now it will print on the screen. If variable is not there, name is not there, simply it will show you name error. That name is not exist in the RAM. Simple. Very simple. You can see. First of all, I am storing. First of all, which one presently my PVM holding? My PVM table inside whatever I have, you can see it. Directly write the dir function. Directly write the dir function. Nothing but your PVM maintaining these names presently in this list. In this list, these names are available. Okay, I am creating one variable a equal to 20. See, is it loaded into the RAM? Only if you write dir function directly, is it loaded to the RAM? Your variable loaded to the RAM? PVM inside, is it available? Some other names also available, leave it. But this is loaded. Your variable a previously not there. After creation, is it loaded?
Yes.
Yeah. So, if I want to print the variable inside value, what is the approach I should follow? You're seeing which is holding by your PVM, but I want to print what is the variable inside of A. How to print? Variable value?
Print A.
Print A. Don't write any quotes in this side. Directly write the A. Print function, if you write in the quotes, what is the output I can see?
A.
A only. But I want to print A inside value. That's why 20 is coming. What about B?
Error.
Error. What error?
Variable name error.
Name error. Name is not there. That's why name error you are going to get. Guys, everyone clear about this one? How the PVM is responsible to allocate the...
Yes.
Yeah, this is important. And your PVM, this table also is the part of RAM only. This box also part of the RAM only. So, if you want to find out variable phi address, this value if you want to find out, address if you want to find out, every machine having different addresses. ID function it is providing to you. For what? For what? For what? What is the use of ID function? What is the
Get
use
the
of ID?
value
Yeah,
to
ID
get
of
the address of
A.
variable.
Yeah,
Mm.
correct. If I want to print the y A inside value, what is the A inside value? What is the function I can use it? Print function.
Mm.
Yeah. And one more thing also, Python language we can call as a dynamic memory allocation approach language. One second. Python program we can call as a dynamic memory allocation language. What is the meaning of this? By default, what is the issue? By default, based on stored or saved value into the variable, Python itself identify the data type name. Are you understanding? There are two approaches are available. Static versus dynamic. Static versus dynamic. Best example for the static is C language. So without saying the data type name, your C language never accept that value. Meaning is just 1 second. I'm going to C language. No, not this one. Just I need some ideally. Yeah. Now fine. If I run this program, I can see one output. Hello world. Okay, just this section. I'm writing C equal to 20. Printf percentage D. This is a language of C. And every line we need semicolon. What exactly I'm doing? I'm storing one value in the C language. It is. I'm storing one value with 20. Why I'm getting an error? You can see. Why I'm getting this error? Can you observe? First, before using, you need to tell that what is a C can hold. What is a C? What type of variable? 20 means which type of variable?
Integer.
Yeah, you have to inform that.
Yes.
Then only you can store it. Now working? Now working? Don't think about this line. Working? First you have to define, then only you can store it. Correct?
Yes.
But are you doing the same thing in the Python?
No.
No. So directly, that is concept directly based on the memory, stored value. Your Python by default based on assigned value to the variable, Python itself recognize or identify the data type name. Okay, phi is a something, whatever the data type. But if you want to know that data type name, there is a one more function is allocated in the Python, that is a type function. Clear about these three? ID means address location or identity in the RAM.
This,
Function,
what is the last statement you said regarding type function?
data type, what is the internal using data type name, it will print on the screen.
Okay.
Print stored value. What is the type will do? You are not defining the data type, but Python is doing the internally data type assignment or not? Are you understanding my point?
Yes, yes.
So Python using data type name. We are not responsible to what is a data type, but Python will use. Yeah. Can I ask that same three questions? I have a one variable. A. Is it loaded in the RAM? Is it loaded in the RAM? Otherwise, close the terminal, open one more IDLE. Directly Python freely providing something. Are you observing in the PVM table? Without your interaction, when I open the new IDLE, is something coming freely?
Yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
great. Something coming freely.
Mm.
If I'm creating one variable, my underscore var equals to 30, is it standard name?
Customized.
Yes.
Standard rules, 5 rules.
Yes, it is valid.
Yes, valid.
You can see, is it created really?
No,
Yes,
because
it is.
You are created.
no,
You
no.
Yeah, created at
It's
at some of
created.
the.
My underscore var.
Yeah.
if I want to print that value, my underscore var. If I
Mm.
It
want
will
to print
come
the
this.
address, my underscore var. If I want to find out what is the data type, my type, you can see what is the data type it is printing.
Yes, understood.
See how the PVM is recognizing and using the memory allocation. But tell me, if I stop and start my machine, otherwise, if I close this terminal again, if I open this terminal, can I get again my A value?
No, might be no.
No,
No,
no, no, because RAM is a volatile memory.
volatile memory. Even second one, if you close this terminal also, your PVM will clean everything related to this
Yes.
IDLE.
Mm.
This IDLE. How simple it is. Yeah, storing
Yes.
and three functions. Total, how many functions? Even I used today one more function also. To get the result keywords, we used help function. Is it help is function? Just leave it inside whatever it is. Now, can I call help is a function?
Yes.
Help is function print type ID. Okay, now I have some doubt. I'm storing one value, name equals to Python training from 0. 1 second. Oh, my mistake. Sorry. Yeah. What is the data type?
Character.
Character.
Yeah,
Character.
character.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some
Yes.
similar to
String.
character. String is
Yes.
okay. We don't know, but Python internally using. We are not responsible for them. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Now,
Float.
Yeah. Integer with.
Float. Float.
see, some names are interestingly coming, but we are not writing like C language.
Hmm.
That if you
Correct.
define and if you store that nature, we can call static memory allocation. Best example is C language, Java, .NET.
Mm.
So that's why Python is easy up to one level. Up to one level, Python is easy. The reason is this is a one.
Yes.
Yeah, now
But
exactly. Yeah, please.
Naga,
Yeah, please.
Naga, in C equal to 3.4, you have mentioned, okay? And just two lines before, where you are mentioning name, at the time you are giving space, name, space, then equal to, then space. So if you are giving name without space, will it going to work?
Yes, it will
Yes,
work.
this will work. Yeah, this standard rules. Somewhere I explained to you with spaces, without spaces. There is no problem. Initially should not provide spaces. Yeah, example, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine,
Okay, okay. Got it, yeah. Thank you.
but this is not fine. Error is clear.
Yes, yes.
Now, x equal to 10, x equal to 20. Now, what is the x value?
20, last one.
Last one, latest one only. Always
Latest one, yeah.
Yes,
first x will be created 10, again 20.
20. Yes.
But address is different. X first time address, second time address is different. You can observe one more time. When I loaded 10, address ending with last three digits, you can see
Yes.
584. And again, I'm storing x equal to 20. One time I will print the value. And second time I'm loading, ID is completely different or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
How this is going to work? Listen carefully. How this is memory management is going to work? When PVM table and this side is RAM. Yeah, PVM table having two things. One is name and another one is the address. When you write x equal to 10 in the RAM, somewhere it is going to store address, for example, 10205. X with name, address is 10205, and it is linked in this way. Next time, if you write x equal to 20, same variable, this is going to just here 20 is going to store. This address is 202020. This is going to update, and this connection will be disconnect, and new connection will be created. Only variable name is changed. Sorry, variable name remains same. Address is modified, connection recreated. Maybe you are thinking this 10 is an unused object or not? Unused value or not?
Yes, unused.
Like there is a one kite without kite,
Mm.
like without their thread. So these type of unused objects, Python internally there is a one concept is there. GC. Any idea about this one? Any idea about this one?
Garbage collector.
Yeah, garbage collector. We don't know when it is going to come. Maybe once every 1 minute or every 1 hour it is going to come. Is there any kite without thread? Nothing but unused objects. It is just come and clean this memory. Excellent approach it is. Everything automated way. Everything is automated way is there. So don't give x equal to 10, x equal to 20. Variable name x only, but their address is same or different. While 10, while 20,
Different
they are
address.
different address. Now, exactly here I have a one question, two questions. Write the print function in advanced level. This is the first one. Second one, total how many built-in functions are built-in data types are available. Data types are available. Really, it is not required for us. Data types are available in the Python. We can also create our own data type. But these are the two. Built-in means by default. How many built-in data types are there in the Python? How to use the print function in the advanced level? These two are our next questions. We will start officially from tomorrow. Clear? First, today I started what is the purpose of the variable? Standard 5 rules. And alphabet, this is a set. Alpha numeric and underscore. Not start with a digit. Result keywords should not use. And any character, n number of times you can use it from the valid set. And always the variable name short and sweet. And the next one, how the PVM is allocating the memory internally. PVM is a Python virtual machine. Similarly, in the Java also there is a one concept is there. If you have idea, just you can compare it. Java inside JVM is there, PVM inside PVM. Yeah. Tomorrow I will start these two sections. Clear till now? Everything is good?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will stop here. We will connect tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank